Okay, here we go. Apart point, semi-touch, 2 forward 2s.
Well, I love a rainy night.
Vine apart and together to face.
I love to hear the thunder. Watch the
Basketball turn to open.
sky.
Forward lock, forward, forward lock, forward. 2 forward 2s.
Well, I love a rainy night.
Vine apart and together to face.
Rain on my face.
Basketball turn to open. Forward lock, forward, twice. Circle away, 2 2-steps.
Showers wash all my hands.
Strut together, 4 to butterfly.
I wake up to a
Bind 3 touch. Wrap, unwrap,
yeah, I love
change sides. Bind 3 touch. Wrap, unwrap,
but I love
change sides. Face to face, back to back. Basketball turn to open.
I love to hear the thunder. Watch the
Forward hitch.
lights up the
Walk back 2. Back hitch. Walk and pick up. Progressive scissors to banjo. Checking. Fishtail. Walk 2 to semi. 2 forward 2s. Vine apart and together to face. Basketball turn to open. Forward lock, forward. Forward lock, forward to face. Vine 3 touch. Wrap. Unwrap. Change sides. Vine 3 touch. Wrap. Unwrap. Change sides. Face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn. Forward hitch. Walk back 2. Back hitch. Walk and pick up. Progressive scissors to banjo. Checking. Fishtail. Walk 2 to semi. Vine 3 touch. Wrap. Unwrap. Change sides. Vine 3 touch. Wrap. Unwrap. Change sides. Face to face. Back to back. Basketball turn to open. Forward hitch. Walk back 2. Back hitch. Walk and pick up. Progressive scissors to banjo. Checking. Fishtail. Walk 2 to semi. 2 forward 2s. Vine apart and together to face. Basketball turn to open. Forward lock, forward, twice. Circle away and together. Twirl vine 2, apart point. Okay. Since some of us got a little bit of a late start, we're allowed to stay a little bit longer. Let's put on a waltz.